Hey guys! I have a quick experiment for you today. I've been interested in testing clear gel medium in pores for a few months now. Clear gel medium is essentially invisible paint. Think of it as paint without pigment. I've been experimenting with how gel medium can change up the layering of paints. Since the medium dries clear, it can be used as a placeholder to separate colors or as a way to layer colors on top of one another. Today I'm using the clear gel medium as a base for a swipe. If you're interested in seeing these colors being mixed, check out my last video. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. All of the colors I'm using today are mixed with Floetrol. For the silver cell activator, I'm using my recipe for bloom activator. This is a combination of Floetrol, Lucas Krill pouring medium, Amsterdam pouring medium, and a few drops of Minwax pre-stain. A lot of you may not have all these mediums handy, but a mix of Floetrol and Minwax pre-stain will get you pretty close. For this pour, I have my colors and base mixed to the same consistency. This helps keep the colors from sinking too much and creating pearls instead of the cells and layering I'm going for. My goal for this swipe was to pull the colors over and under the clear gel medium base. While wet, the gel medium is going to appear hazy and almost white. As it dries, it becomes clear, and since I'm using gloss gel, it gets a bit shiny. If you're using matte gel medium, expect it to stay a bit hazier as it dries. It will also give you a matte-like finish to any colors it was pulled over during your pour. I plan on continuing my experiments with clear gel medium. I think there is a lot of potential in its uses. In the coming videos, I will have clear gel medium as a cell activator and a pour with a split cup that I use the medium as a placeholder between two colors. I'm just getting started, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out. If you guys have any questions about what I'm doing in this video, or if you just want to say hi, drop me a comment below. I love hearing from you all, and I try to make sure that I answer any questions you may have. I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out. The way the colors are layered, darker colors on top, lighter colors down beneath, and cells everywhere. I think I might be onto something here. I'll leave you guys to the rest of the pour so you can decide. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time. Bye.